back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone healthcare work-from-home job lead for you. I'm trying to mix things up a little bit this week and throw a little bit of everything at you. Healthcare, non-phone, healthcare phone, data entry, customer service, just anything I can find, because I will be away on vacation next week, so I'll be posting a very little job leads next week. So today's healthcare job lead is from the company Sonder Mind. They have 124 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. As always, the links to this Glassdoor page if you want to go read any reviews or do any additional research on the company, and the job page if you want to get that application in, is always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. They are hiring a credentialing associate. Now, if you live in Denver, Colorado, they do have an office there. Otherwise, for the rest of the United States, this job is remote work from home. So the credentialing associate is responsible for managing the credentialing activities for providers that join their network, making sure providers submit the proper documentation and adhere to the outlined processes and deadlines. So if you're not familiar with credentialing, when providers provide services and they want to bill insurance, they have to be enrolled or credentialed with each individual insurance company. So specifically for Medicare, and then Blue Cross Blue Shield South Carolina, Blue Cross Blue Shield Virginia, Blue Cross Blue Shield Texas. Each individual, United Healthcare, each individual insurance company makes them be credentialed and enrolled. So basically what you'll be doing is serving as the credentialing point of contact for these providers to move them through the onboarding process and get them completely set up. The communication you'll have with the providers will take place via text and email. So this is mostly non-phone. It says sometimes video conferencing, but that is only sometimes. So like 90% of this job is going to be non-phone. You'll continuous outreach and follow up to providers to ensure they complete their application. You'll proactively obtain the necessary documents, updates, and actions for providers during their onboarding process. If this sounds like something you're interested in, they're not requiring any kind of college degree. What they do require is previous experience or knowledge of credentialing activities, someone who has great attention to detail and can be very organized, someone who has excellent communication skills and is comfortable corresponding with clinicians. Now, as far as pay goes, they offer a straight pay. They don't list any salary range. They pay $21.64 an hour. Of course, they also offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, paid time off, 401k. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comment section anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind and keep a running list in case I ever come across something. I will share it, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.